There are some places that you might expect to see red 40 food dyes, like sports drinks, candies, and snack items, but sometimes they might be found in places you wouldn't expect. A bill banning red dye 40 in public school nutrition programs is set to be heard in the Tennessee Senate.
These synthetic food dyes are petroleum-based. They have no nutritional value, nor do they preserve any of the things. They're just for color only.
The bill's sponsors, Representative Elaine Davis and Senator Janice Bowling, tell us the dye is harmful to children, referencing clinical studies linking the artificial dyes to a number of health concerns, including ADHD, hyperactivity, and other behavioral issues that might even require medication.
I've had numerous mothers and families reach out to me in support of this bill because they have had their children react.
The FDA banned the use of red dye 3 in foods back in January, but red dye 40 and yellow number 5 are still listed as approved food coloring additives.
What we're really targeting are those young students that are still growing and developing.
The bill passed the House with bipartisan support, but some representatives say they believe more research should be done.
Most of what I read had to do with saying that we need to have more studies on this, that it is not conclusive, that it has an effect on humans.
The bill does not apply to food sold in vending machines, concession stands, or for school fundraisers.
So if we know that there are alternatives to use for color that do not cause these adverse reactions, I think it's important to make sure that we're doing that.
In Chattanooga, Maggie Weaver, News Channel 9.